8250. Rigging and alignment checks should not be undertaken in the open. However, if this cannot be avoided, the aircraft should be positioned with the A. Tail into the wind. B. Left wing into the wind. C. Nose into the wind. The correct answer is C. Rigging and alignment checks should not be undertaken in the open. However, if this cannot be avoided, the aircraft should be positioned with the nose into the wind. This is to prevent the aircraft from being blown over by the wind. 8251. The correct dihedral angle can be determined by A. Measuring the angular setting of each wing at the rear spar with a bubble protractor. B. Placing a straightedge and bubble protractor across the spars while the airplane is in flying position. C. Using a dihedral board and bubble level along the front spar of each wing. The correct answer is C. To determine the correct dihedral angle of an aircraft, a dihedral board equipped with a bubble level can be employed. The dihedral board is a flat board incorporating a bubble level, which ensures its proper alignment. By positioning the dihedral board along the front spar of each wing and observing the bubble level, the angle between the wings can be accurately measured. This method allows for precise assessment and adjustment of the dihedral angle, which is crucial for achieving desired flight characteristics and stability. 8252. The dihedral angle of a wing may be measured by placing a straightedge and level protractor on the A. Front spar. B. Wing root. C. Wing chord. The correct answer is A. To measure the dihedral angle of a wing, a straightedge and level protractor are used. The straightedge is placed along the front spar, which is the main structural member running spanwise along the wing. The level protractor is then placed on the straightedge, ensuring it is level and perpendicular to the reference plane. By measuring the angle formed between the straightedge and the horizontal reference plane, the dihedral angle can be determined. The front spar is a suitable reference point for measuring the dihedral angle as it represents a key structural element of the wing. 8253. Where would you find precise information to perform a symmetry alignment check for a particular aircraft? A. Aircraft specification or type certificate data sheet. B. Manufacturer's service bulletins. C. Aircraft service or maintenance manual. The correct answer is C. The aircraft service or maintenance manual provides detailed instructions and procedures specific to a particular aircraft model. It includes information on performing various maintenance tasks, including alignment checks and procedures. The symmetry alignment check involves ensuring that the aircraft's components, such as wings, control surfaces, and landing gear, are properly aligned and balanced. The service or maintenance manual will provide step-by-step instructions, tolerances, and specifications for conducting the symmetry alignment check accurately. It is a comprehensive resource provided by the aircraft manufacturer that contains specific information for maintenance and inspection procedures for the aircraft. 8254. Where is the buttock line or butt line of an aircraft? A. A height measurement left or right of and perpendicular to the horizontal centerline. B. A width measurement left of and perpendicular to the vertical centerline. C. A width measurement left or right of and parallel to the vertical centerline. The correct answer is C. The buttock line, also known as the butt line, is a reference line used in aircraft design and construction. It is a series of imaginary lines that run parallel to the vertical centerline of the aircraft fuselage. These lines are used to establish various measurements and positions on the aircraft structure. The buttock lines are typically spaced at regular intervals along the fuselage, and measurements or dimensions are referenced from these lines. The term butt line is derived from buttock, which refers to the side of the human body.